Automatically recording. Okay. Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. 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 Let me help the others to join. Okay. When you join, what you want to do? See, mute your audio. Mute your audio.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Mute your audio. Switch on your video. Switch on your
Good morning, ma'am.
yes.
Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Who?
Can you see Adidev?
Adidev. Avantika, switch on your video. Adidev. Yes, Anil Kumar. Adidev, Anil Kumar. I can see. Dia Risa. Risa is your sister's name, right? What is your name? What is your name? Huh? Risa Abdul Kalam. I know that is your sister's name. So what is your name? Likewise, Faiz Muhammad. Faiz Muhammad. That is also your brother's name, right? Okay.
Ma'am, can you
just,
see me, Tanvin? Ma'am, can you see me?
okay, let me check it. Okay. Tanvi, yes. First of all, mute your audio. See, everybody in all classes, they understood how to mute and how to unmute and all. Okay. So you have to do it. Otherwise, we will lose class. We will lose our time. So, okay. One more is. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Can you see me?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Can you see Tanvi?
Okay, I saw you. Okay. So everybody is ready to start the class?
Yes.
See?
See me? Ma'am, can you see me?
Yes, I can see you all. Only Aryan's video is seeing.
See me? Ma'am, can you see me? I am Anit Krishna.
Okay. Can you see me?
Yes. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So, see, all mute your Mayuk, mute your audio. I can hear somebody is talking at home. Huh? Nasnia. Who is that?
Can
Switch
you
on
see
your.
me?
Yes, yes, I can see.
I am
Okay.
Anit Krishna.
Okay. So now.
Ma'am, can you see me?
Yes, yes, yes. Can you just you check. Can you hear me and can you see my video?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
now we can
Yes, ma'am.
start our class. See, I will ask. Okay, Siddhi, just tell me. Which topic we discussed in the last class?
Digestive
Energy. Okay,
system.
energy. Now, Siddhi, mute your audio. Okay, Adidev, why you need energy?
To
Ah,
stay healthy.
to stay healthy. Okay, good.
And be strong.
To play. Yes.
And be strong.
Okay. Say all should mute your audio. Okay, those are Nasnia, Ashwell, mute your audio. Then Lenovo. Whose is Lenovo? Juan. Mute your audio.
Okay, ma'am.
Ah,
Excuse me.
okay. Now I think Aryan, mute your audio. So Felix, mute your audio.
I want to ask something.
Okay. What you want to ask?
What is this chapter's name?
Okay, this chapter's name I will tell you at the end of today's class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just wait for it. So today, last class we learned about the energy. From where we get this energy? Manjima. From where we get this energy? Manjima. From where we get this energy? Unmute your audio and say, unmute it. Otherwise, I can't hear. Unmute it. From where we get energy?
Good food.
Okay, from the food which we eat. From the food we will get energy. Okay, now mute it. Okay, now mute it. What is there in the food which gives us energy? What is there in the food which gives us energy?
Vitamins.
Ma'am,
Nutrients. Okay.
Nutrients, vitamins.
Okay, vitamins, proteins, these all are nutrients. So, if we want to get energy, we should eat food because food contains nutrients. Understood? So, sorry? Okay, these nutrients we get from the different types of food. Okay, see, when we eat food, whenever you eat food, your parents will tell you, not only the parents, Felix, don't tap on your table. So they will tell you, chew the food properly. Am I right? Chew the food properly. This everybody is advising you, right? Right? Why
Yes,
they
ma'am.
are saying you to chew that food properly? Diya, yours is already unmuted. So say, why? Why always they are saying chew the food properly?
Otherwise, we will not
Ah.
get energy.
Okay, otherwise you won't get
Energy.
energy. Why? What is the connection between chewing food and energy? Who can say it?
To digest easily.
Okay, to digest easily. So before that, we had to learn what is digestion. Understood? So every time when we eat food, we should chew the food thoroughly. Understood? When we chew the food thoroughly, that food substances will break into smaller pieces. At the same time, saliva, which is present in our mouth, saliva is a liquid, right? Which is present in our mouth, saliva, which is present in our mouth, makes the food substances wet and soft. Then we can easily chew it. Then that food substance will become small pieces. After that, we will swallow that food into down. Am I right? When it
Yes.
goes to down, so many internal organs also will make it into small piece. At last, they will make that food into a paste form. From the mouth, the food will broken down into small pieces. When it goes into the internal organs, again, that food particles, that food substances will form into paste. When the food become paste form, then only the blood can absorb the nutrients present in them. Understood? When the food substances turns into a paste form, then only blood can absorb the nutrients from the food. For example, when you eat the idlis, you will make some pieces of it, will keep it in your mouth, you will chew it, then you will swallow it. When these idli pieces go through the different internal organs, due to the action of internal organs, these food substance, idli pieces will become a paste form. Once it becomes the paste form, the blood can easily absorb the nutrients from it. Understood? So now let me ask, what is that paste form? Paste form. Manav, what is that paste form? Can you say paste form? Example for paste form. Toothpaste, which you are using every day. Toothpaste, which you are using every day. It is of a paste form. Understood? The batter, which we use to make idlis, doshas. Did you see that? I think all can hear my voice. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now
Yes, ma'am.
mute it and listen. The idli and dosha batter. Did you see that? During the lockdown periods, you might have helped your mother to make the cake. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the structure of that cake batter? It is something semi-liquid.
Yes.
It is not of solid, not of liquid, but a mixture of solid and liquid. Like, for making idli batter, we want the rice and water. When we grind this rice and water together, they will form into a semi-liquid form. That is the paste form. Okay, that is the paste form. Now also I am noticing that some of you have not muted your audios and the sound from your house also are coming through to this class. Celine, Aryan, Ashwell, Aira. Muted, see if I am Janika. Okay, mute it. You sit on a place. Okay, so in between, when I teach you in between, if I want to tell these all things, means it will be very distracting. Okay, now paste form. Okay, paste form means it is not of a solid form or not of a liquid. A mixture of solid and liquid. That is a semi-liquid form. When what all food items when we eat, when it becomes...
Can you repeat again?
Yes, surely. What all food items when we eat, if it becomes a paste form, then only the blood can absorb the nutrients, then only we will get the energy. What all food items when we eat, if it turns into a paste form, then only blood can absorb these nutrients. Then only we will get energy. Okay. So it is very important. It is very important to chew the food properly. Hereafter, I hope, hereafter you will chew the food items what all you eat. Am I right? Okay, you have to chew it. Then only your body will get nutrients and energy. Okay, so this is when we keep the food in mouth, using the teeth, the food substance becomes small piece. Not only the mouth. Who is talking? Not only the mouth. So many internal organs are involved in the breaking down of the food and to make it into paste. Understood? It is a long process. Digestion not only completes in the mouth, it is only a starting. That breaking down is only starting in the mouth. So many organs are involved to make these food substances to break down and to make it into paste. So this is a long process. This process has a name. That name is digestion. What is the name of that process? Digestion. 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 What is digestion? Okay, listen carefully. What is digestion? Mute your audio. Diya, Manjima, Isan. Mute it. When you repeat after me, I can hear your voice. Galaxy M30. Who's that? You have to rename, okay? Manav. Yes, who is calling?
Ma'am, I think already I know what is the name of this chapter.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so this one, the process of breaking down food into smaller parts that can be absorbed into the bloodstream. That is called digestion. Huh? So we are eating food. That food becomes paste form. From that paste, blood will absorb the nutrients. When the blood becomes rich in nutrients, we will get energy. This whole process, the name of that process is digestion. Name of that process is digestion. Understood? So, no need to write anything. Just listen. Listen to the class, okay? Siddhi.
Okay, ma'am.
Siddhi, what is the name of, now you had, okay. What is the name of the process?
Digestion.
Digestion. Okay, digestion. Again, I am repeating the, Felix, don't play with the device. Don't play, don't do experiments. Don't do experiments. Just listen. Just learn how to mute and unmute. That much is enough for you. Okay. So, digestion means it is a process. The process of breaking down food into smaller parts that can be absorbed into the bloodstream. Digestion is the process of breaking down of food into smaller parts. Process. It is a process breaking down of food into smaller parts that can be absorbed into the bloodstream. That is called digestion. Okay. So, are you be able to tell if I ask what is digestion? Felix? Felix? Can you tell me the definition of the digestion?
Definition means?
Definition means what is digestion?
Digestion.
Digestion. Sit there. No need to stand up.
Digestion is a
Process.
system in our body.
Digestion is a process. Digestion is a process. Who can say?
Ma'am, Srihari KS.
Okay. All others, mute your audio. Srihari, say the answer. What is digestion?
Digestion is the process of breaking down food into smaller parts in the
that
body,
can be absorbed
absorbed
into
by
our
the bloodstream.
Very good, very good. I think I will send this definition through the WhatsApp. Okay, all on a sudden you won't be able to learn it by heart. Hmm? So again, I am repeating digestion. Digestion is a process. Digestion is a process of breaking down of food into small parts that can be absorbed into our bloodstream. Okay, now I will write it and I will show you. Okay. Okay, can you see a board?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
There is only a star.
Okay, okay. Wait. Okay, wait. Now it is up to appear. Okay. Jenica, Juan, mute your audio. Why in between you are unmuting it? 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am, I can see the board.
Yeah, you can see the board, right? Now I will exit from this. I want to take a simple one. That is one which is ruled one, right? I don't want that ruled
Yes, ma'am.
board. I want a simple board. Let me take. So up to that, you can revise what is digestion. It is a process. Digestion is a process. Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
1 minute. 1 minute.
I'm again the ruled paper.
Board came, right? Okay. Let me see. I don't want to waste your time. Anyhow, I will use this board. Okay.
Sorry.
So,
So I'm looking this.
okay. Can you see
Double
something on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is written?
Digestion.
Okay. Digestion.
Digestion.
It is a process.
Digestion.
Hey, mute your audio, everybody. It is a process of breaking down. Breaking down of what?
Food.
Breaking down of what? What it is breaking down?
Food.
Food.
Very good. Breaking down of food into smaller
parts.
okay, smaller parts. Breaking down of food into smaller
Smaller
parts
parts.
that can be
Absorb.
absorbed
To the bloodstream.
into
The
absorbed into the
bloodstream.
into the
Bloodstream.
bloodstream. Okay, what do you mean by bloodstream? Flow of blood. Flow of blood.
Vessels.
Okay, just I am going to read it. All mute your audio. Otherwise, everybody if going to read it, the others won't get it clear. Okay, so digestion. It is a process of breaking down of food. It is a process of breaking down of food into smaller parts that can be absorbed. That
Ma'am, we have to write this.
no dear, just understand it, okay? That can be absorbed into the bloodstream.
Ma'am, we should write this.
No, just understand, read it and understand it, which all are important points. The process, it is a process of what? Breaking down of food. That is the important point. It is breaking down into which form? Yeah, smaller parts. Why it should be breaking down into smaller parts? That can be absorbed into the blood.
to
That
the
can be absorbed into the blood.
bloodstream.
Understood? Bloodstream. Okay. At least you should remember these all words.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. So next one. Next. Okay. Point. You will be learned about the digestion. So it is very important to chew the food properly. Now, see, is the for digestion, is this mouth only help us?
No.
No. So many internal organs are there which help us to digest our food. Understood? So we can call these all organs which help us.
Digestive system.
Felix is calling you.
Organ system. The organ system.
Ma'am, Felix is calling you.
Felix is calling me. Then who is that one commenting it? Huh? Okay. If Felix calls me, I can hear it now. Huh? Where is Felix?
I am here.
Why you called me?
Science have notebook or workbook to write.
Workbook is enough. Workbook is there. Huh? These all things I will send a clear message. Now you listen to the class. Okay. The organ system in our body. The organ system in our body. In our body that helps in breaking down the food.
Breaking down the food.
Yeah, breaking down the food is called breaking down the food is called digestive system.
Digestive
System.
Digestive system.
Okay. So
Digestive.
for the digestion of the food, not only the mouth. Listen. For the digestion of food, not only the mouth. So many organs are help to break down it and to make it into paste. That all organs together makes the organ system. Understood? So, yes. Sorry? It's not clear, my dear. So, organ system in our body that helps in breaking down the food is called digestive system. Okay, breaking down of food. Instead of breaking down, what we can say? Digestion. So the organ system in our body that helps in digestion is called digestive system. All the organs which helps in digestion is called digestive system. This is the chapter's name. Understood? Somebody asked me at the beginning of this class, right? What is the name of this class?
Felix.
Okay. So I hope Felix got the answer.
Yes,
The
yes.
name of the chapter is digestive
System.
Okay. If I first class itself, if I mention this name, you won't be able to understand it properly.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
In first class you taught about energy now. So I think the chapter will be diseases.
Okay. So if the food which we eat get digested, then only you will get energy. Huh? So if I am saying food get digested and all, you may think why our food should get digested, right? what all things what you are eating, if it become digested, then only the nutrients will be absorbed into the blood.
Bloodstream.
Bloodstream. Then only you will get the energy. Understood? So our chapter is digestive system. Second chapter. These much days I took only the introduction. But if you don't know what are nutrients, what is the use of nutrients, how you will give importance to study
I
this
can see
chapter?
the board.
You can't see the board. I think all others can see. Sometimes maybe you are.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, just checking. Okay, so can we revise
Ma'am,
today's
now I can
topic?
see the board.
Ma'am,
Okay, yes. Manav, what is your doubt, dear?
ma'am, how much time does it take to digest our food?
Okay, at least to get digestion. No, it nearly will take more than 4 hours. Okay, that is why it is advised that before your supper. Understood? You eat your supper. Food at the food which we are eating at night. It should be at 8:30. Okay. So if you are sleeping at 10 or 10:30, some of the parts of the food will get digested. At 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, if you are eating and you are going to bed at the same time, it will be very difficult for the internal organs to digest the food. Okay. I think, yes. Okay, can we revise today's portions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, today we learned about digestion. Digestion. It is the process of breaking down of food into smaller parts that can be
Absorbed into the blood.
Okay, mute your audio. Mute your audio.
Smaller parts that can be absorbed into the
Into bloodstream.
Okay, next one we learn.
organ system.
Yeah,
Organ
digestive
system.
See, I will read.
Down the food is
All can
Organ system.
okay. All can
in
listen.
our body.
See, listen.
Organ system in our body that helps in breaking down food is called digestive system.
If everybody is reading like so, if anybody can understand this.
In our body that
So mute your audio. Mute your
Ma'am,
audio.
there's a disturbance.
Why this disturbance is there? Say organ system in our body that helps in breaking down the food is called digestive system. Okay, I will send the notes regarding this chapter, this portion today. Okay, those have the workbook. I will send one question to do it as homework. Others can write it. Those don't have the workbook or textbook, they can write it in a book. Okay, I will clearly give the instructions. Okay, bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Bye.
Yes.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye, bye.